What you're looking at cost a brand nothing. No photographer, no studio hire, no art director. A professional photo shoot for visuals like these would have cost between £2,000 and £3,000. I built every single one from my desk. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. And by the end, you will understand why this changes everything for anyone running a brand or working with clients. I have been building brand campaigns with AI for a while now, and the reaction I get from clients when I show them the output is always the same. They think there must be a team, there must be expensive equipment or technical skills they don't have. There isn't. But there is a workflow, a repeatable, learnable system. And that system is what I am going to break down for you today, step by step. Everything starts with a brief, not just make me some product shots, a proper brief. Before I open any AI tool, I write one paragraph that covers three things: who the brand is, who they are talking to, and how they want the audience to feel when they see the visuals. That brief becomes the foundation of every prompt you write. Without it, you are generating randomly and hoping something lands. With it, you are building intentionally toward a specific result. Before I write a single prompt, I decide on the visual direction. This is the step most people skip. What is the lighting? Clean studio? Warm golden hour? Cool editorial? What does the brand want to communicate? What is the overall mood? I answer these questions first. Then I translate those answers into specific prompt language. The visual direction is not what the image looks like. It is why it looks that way. The difference between AI images that look cheap and ones that look expensive is not the tool. It is the prompt structure. You start with the subject, then the setting, then the lighting direction, then the mood reference, then the technical parameters. Every time, in that order. Generic prompts produce generic images. Intentional structure produces campaign quality results. Your first output is never your final output. Generate 4 or 5 variations. Identify the one closest to your visual direction. Then push it further. Adjust one variable at a time. The difference between an okay image and an expensive-looking one is almost always 1 or 2 iterations away. The brief was clear. Premium, editorial product shots. Clean, controlled, brand consistent. Here is what was briefed. And here is what came out. If you want to build this for yourself, whether you are working with clients or building your own brand, Female Digital is exactly where you start. We are a platform built for creative women who want to use AI to do this kind of work. The platform is launching soon and the waitlist is open right now. Link is in the description. Subscribe if you want to see me do this for a different brand category every week.
Female Digital didn't come to entertain. We came for leverage, skill, and terrain. If power is coded, trained, and taught, then ask yourself who's missing and who's not. 70% of AI is built by men. That's not a glitch. That's where we step in. From guessing, Googling scattered tasks to clear workflows, answers on demand. No noise, no fear, no catching up late. Just skill, structure, and deliberate pace. AI doesn't replace your voice or intent. It sharpens it, scales it, pays the rent. This isn't motivation, it's redistribution. Access creates outcomes, not intuition. The gap doesn't close with confidence or talk. So we built the system and taught women to walk.